One sunny morning, Mother Ant and her two baby ants, Tim and Tiny, left their cozy home to find some yummy food. They marched in a line through the grass, happily singing their ant song and searching for crumbs and seeds. Came, and big raindrops began to fall. "Oh no!" cried Tiny. The ants ran quickly to find shelter under a big leaf. The mother ant hugged Tim and Tiny. "We're safe here," she said. "Let's wait until the rain stops." While they were climbing to the leaf, they found a big cookie crumb. They all cheered. What a happy adventure!